Welcome to ShopSabre Minutes. I'm Brandon Bombardo. Today we're diving into a question that comes up from time to time. Why does ShopSabre use steel gantries instead of aluminum? Well, let's break that down. Aluminum is often used in CNC machines for one reason: cost savings. But not just the cost of the gantry itself, the real savings comes from what aluminum allows you to do around it. Aluminum is lighter, which means you can get away with smaller motors, less powerful drives, and lighter duty bearings. That helps drive down the machine's overall price. And when you use extruded aluminum, you don't need advanced machining to build your frame or gantry. It comes out of the box with a certain level of precision, and you can bolt it together without needing the same investment in milling or welding processes. So yes, there's a reason some manufacturers go this route. It's easier and it's cheaper. But here's the problem: aluminum doesn't dampen the vibration very well. That means during a cut, especially at higher speeds or with tougher materials, you can get harmonic vibrations, and those vibrations show up where it matters most: your edge finish. This is where steel makes a difference. At ShopSabre, we use structural steel with fully welded gantries, and for good reason. Steel is naturally better at absorbing the vibration, and that's why it's used in bridges, skyscrapers, and other structures where strength and stability are critical. In the CNC world, that translates into better accuracy, cleaner finishes, and a machine that stays more rigid even during your most aggressive cuts. So how do we handle the extra mass of this steel gantry? It's simple: engineering. We size our motors, drives, and bearings to handle the increased load. Yes, we spend a little bit more on these components, but we're not building machines to be the cheapest. We're building them to be the best in the class. If you're in production or in a production environment and just care about your longevity, your consistency, and the precision, then steel isn't just a better option, it's the right option. At ShopSabre, we invest in structural steel because it performs better, it's gonna last longer, and gives you the results you're after, job after job. Thanks for watching this ShopSabre Minute. I'm Brandon Bombardo. See you in the next video.